Alright guys, let's get started. So first you're gonna need some nails. Doesn't matter what nails, it's all your choice. And then you're gonna need a buffer. So this step is pretty much not mandatory. You don't have to take this step, but I like to take this step when I do my press-on nails. And then you're gonna need some alcohol. I put mine in a little spray bottle that I got from the Dollar Tree. You can put yours in whatever you'd like. And then I got this little nail stand for my press-ons, which comes in handy. And you're also gonna need a lint-free wipe or a paper towel so that you can wipe the nails clean. And so, as you can see, you're gonna start buffing the nail very lightly, not hard at all, no harsh buffing or filing, and you make sure you get the free edge. Now, using a wipe and some alcohol, you are going to get rid of any dust that you caused while buffing, and make sure you get every nail really clean and underneath too, because sometimes it sits underneath. So yeah. Next, you're going to need a base coat. I'm going with this one by IBD. It's a very good base coat. You're going to apply a very thin layer and make sure you get the free edge as well because it's very important. And then once you're done, you're going to put this under the light for 60 seconds. And then now you're going to need a builder gel. This one's by umff. I love this one because of the cap. It's so pretty and it's a pretty decent builder gel. And along with that, you're going to need a brush. I like a brush like this. It's like a flat brush, and this one needs some work because those little hairs that are sticking out on the sides need to get cut off, but I dip this in there. Don't take a lot, just a little bit, and then work your way up if you need more. But I like to do a thin layer. All I use this for is so that the nail isn't flimsy. It makes it just a little sturdier. And as you can see, I just stroke it down and very softly. I don't push down at all. I also just want to remind you guys that I am not a professional nail tech. This is what I do for my press-on nails and what works for me. So I thought I'd share with you guys. Okay. So once we're done with this step, you are going to put this under the light for about 2 minutes just because it is a builder gel. And yeah. Next, you would need a gel polish. I use this one by Meet Across in shade 10. Oh my god, this shade is so beautiful. It's like a pinky nude. It's like the perfect pinky nude. But yeah, I apply one layer or one coat, and then I cure this for about 60 seconds. So as you can see, it's a little see-through. You can leave it like this, but I'm gonna go in with a second coat. I just wanted it to be a little more solid. I mean, you can still see through a little bit. Okay, not really. Once you do the second coat, you can't see through it, but that's what I wanted anyways. I didn't want to see through the color. So I apply this to all the nails, including free edge, with the second coat. Once you're done with this step, you're going to go ahead and cure it for 60 seconds. And now comes time for some top coat. You can use a top coat of choice. I like this one by Beetles. I love this top coat. I have never had any issues since I've used this top coat of like peeling or lifting. I've never had any issues. I know some people have, but I have not. So again, you're going to cover the nail with this, and you're also going to get the free edge. And I always cure this top coat for 120 seconds. Maybe that'll help, but I followed the directions that are on the bottle. Next, you're gonna need some tip guides. Again, I'll link this down below if you want to purchase it. And also some eyeshadow sponges. I don't know what they're called, but these are amazing for applying powders onto the nails. This powder is by Beetles in the number 2. It's the gold one, and this is what I'm going to use what I'm gonna apply. Oh God. So once it cures, you don't want to wait too long. You're gonna right away. You're gonna put on your little guides, and you're gonna start applying the powder. And you gotta be quick with it because you want it while your little top coat that you applied is still kind of warm. If that makes sense, it just sticks better. I mean, it'll still work even if it's not warm, but I always apply it as soon as it's warm. I feel like it sticks on so much better. Next, you're going to dust off any excess powder off the nails just because you want it to be nice and clean before you apply a top coat. And now you're going to apply a top coat to the tip of the nails so that you can seal that powder that you just applied and it doesn't move anywhere. If you guys are liking this video so far, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe, you guys. And then once you're done with this step, you cure it for 120 seconds, and then comes the other side of the nail that you're gonna apply top coat on so that the nail pretty much like is leveled out. It will level itself once you cure it. So it won't be like a bumpy nail. It'll be all even because now you're applying on the other half, you're applying that top coat. Hopefully that made sense because it sounded like a hot mess to me. But you guys can see what's going on. Once you're done with this step, you go ahead and cure the nails for 120 seconds. And guys, this is the finished look of the nails. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching.